Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mendaros. And for today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to increase your internet speed on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So there are ways you can make small tweaks within Windows itself to get a little bit more transfer speed out of your internet. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to disable Windows Update Service. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung services. And then click mo lang dito yung open. And once na open mo na tong services at dito lang sa services local at dito sa right side ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Windows Update. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down and then hanapin natin dito yung Windows Update. Okay? So once na-locate mo na yung Windows Update, so select and double click. And then dito sa kanyang general properties at dito lang sa startup type, so i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then kailangan lang natin itong i-disabled. Okay? So click mo tong disabled. And then click mo lang dito yung apply and i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito sa services and other solution na pwede natin gawin is to flash DNS cache. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt and kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And once na-open mo na tong administrator command prompt, and then kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig space /flash DNS. So kailangan mo lang i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig, that is one word, space /flash DNS in one word yan, and press mo lang yung enter. And then successfully flash the DNS resolver cache. And then after dito sa administrator command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang dito. So, if the error is still persists, so ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to edit at registry editor. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung registry editor. And then, kailangan mo lang mag-right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And then, once na-open mo na tong registry editor, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung HK local machine folder. So, double click lang dito. And then next step ay select mo lang dito yung system folder. So double click ulit. Next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung current control set. So double click ulit dito. And then dito sa current control set. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung services. So double click ulit. And then dito sa services folder, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung LANman server. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And then, locate natin dito yung LANman server. So, dito ay kailangan mo lang mag-click one time. At dito lang sa right side ay kailangan natin mag-create ng new folder. Kung paano ba mag-create ng new folder? So, dito lang sa blank space area. So, kailangan mo lang mag-right click. Select dito yung new. And then, dito yung key. Select mo lang dito yung dword 32-bit value. So, click mo lang yan. And then, makikita mo kaagad dito yung new folder. So, kailangan natin yan i-rename. Ito yung ilalagay natin na RIP. So, big letter yan lahat. And then, stock. And then, size. Okay? So, ito yung kailangan mong i-rename. IRP. And then, stock yung S, big letter. And then, yung S ulit dito sa size. So, big letter yan. One word lahat. And press mo lang yung enter. And then, once na-enter mo na yan, and then, kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And dito sa kanyang edit the word 32-bit value, dito sa kanyang value data ay yung 0, i-change mo to 32. And then dito sa base ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung decimal. And then i-click mo lang dito yung okay. Alright, so after dito sa registry editor, at dito lang sa start menu and kailangan mo lang mag-restart o i-click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to speed up any internet connections in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.